Good morning, year 7. How are you? You are fine today? Welcome again at your school, the Osama International School. Okay, let's start complete our sessions online. Today we will start with the chemistry. Okay, let me share the video with you. Okay, okay, give me a second. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is Unit 8, Rocks, Minerals, and Soil. New book page 104 and 105. Okay, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize that the surface of the earth is covered with rocks, minerals, and soil. Explain that rocks are made of grains of minerals. Explain that soil is made from rocks, minerals, and humans. Okay? First of all, okay, let's revise about layers of the earth. Okay? We talked it before. We said that layers of the earth start with the crust, the layer which we live on, okay? Mantle, outer core, and inner core. Okay, who can tell me the mantle is formed from what? The mantle is formed from what? Excellent, from molten rocks. Outer core is also a molten rock, great. Inner core is solid, okay? From iron and nickel, okay? Like, as we said before, earth like apple, okay? The apple peel, this is the crust, okay? Fruit, this is the mantle. Core, the outer core. Seeds, it's the inner core. Okay, who can tell me the name of the scientists who study the earth? Okay, they are called, yes, Abdurrahman, great, geologist, geologist, okay, geologist. Okay, rocks. We start with the rocks, okay? Just a small definition, and we'll start the types of the rocks, and we'll study each kind in detail. Okay, what the meaning of rocks? Rocks, we found rocks in the nature, okay? The solids, okay? It contains grains of one or more minerals. We know what the meaning of minerals now, okay? So the rocks is a solid. We found it in the nature, okay? Contain more or one or more minerals. We have three types of rocks. Number one, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Okay? We'll study each kind in details as I said. Okay, let's see what the meaning of minerals. As we said, rocks are made of minerals. What the meaning of minerals? Okay, as rocks, we found it in the nature. Excellent. It's a solid. Excellent. Okay, what is made of crystals? Okay, and formed from non-living things. Okay, so solid, natural material formed from non-living things. Okay, like for example, gold, diamond, and graphite. Okay, again, natural, occurring, inorganic. Okay, doesn't form from organic or living things. Solid, as we said, and the most important point, it is crystal structure. Okay, what the meaning of crystal structure? It means it has faces and angles. Okay, it has faces and angles, has a geometrical shape. Okay, and its chemical composition of the minerals made from one element. Okay, or compound. Compound contain more than one element. Okay, element or compound or pure substance. Okay, whatever element or compound. Some examples about minerals, okay? Number one, talc, gypsum, calcite, fluorite, apatite, feldspar, quartz, topaz, corundum, diamond, okay? Again, talc, gypsum, calcite, fluorite, apatite, feldspar, quartz, topaz, corundum, and diamond. Okay, We have something called Mohs scale. Okay, this scale measure the hardness of these minerals. Okay, what the meaning of hardness first? Hardness measure how it's difficult for the mineral to be scratched. It's easy if you catch any kind of minerals. It's easy to scratch by your finger or knife, for example. For example, talc. Okay, this is the hardness increase from 1 to 10. So the talc is the easiest minerals to be scratched. Okay, you can scratch it by your fingernail. Okay, you can scratch talc with your fingernail. Okay, the hardest one, diamond. Okay, diamond can't be scratched. Diamond, very hard, can't be scratched. Okay, as we said, in hardness increase from 1 to 10. Okay, look at here, increasing in hardness from 1 to 10. Number 1, talc, gypsum, can be scratched by your fingernail. Okay, calcite can be scratched by the copper coin. Fluorite and apatite can be scratched by your knife and your or glass. Okay, feldspar can scratch by steel. Okay, we have quartz, topaz, corundum, and diamond. Okay, difficult to be scratched. Okay, the hardest one in this group, diamond. Okay, and for example, number 10, diamond can scratch number 9, corundum. Number 9, corundum can scratch number 8, topaz. Number 8 can scratch number 7, quartz. Okay, this is the Mohs scale or Mohs hardness scale. Okay, let's take some examples about rock. Okay, we said rocks contain grain of minerals. Okay, for example, we have a rock. This rock is granite. Okay, it contains 3 kinds of minerals: mica, feldspar, and quartz. Okay, mica, look at here. Okay, this is a granite, contain different color. Okay, the black one, the black crystals, this is the mica. Okay, blue and pink, sorry, white and pink, this is the feldspar. Okay, the glassy one, quartz. Okay, again, mica, the blue, the black crystals, feldspar, white and pink, quartz, glassy one. Okay, so this is kind of rock contain different kind of minerals, as we said before. Okay, uses of granite. Okay, when we polish this granite using as a flooring or work surface area, okay, because it looks attractive, okay, because it looks attractive. For example, this is a flooring, or in your kitchen, for example, work surface, okay, of course it looks attractive. Okay, pop quiz time. Okay, who can answer? What is a geologist? Okay, yes, Amalek. Great, scientist who study rocks. Okay, scientist who studies rocks. Okay, question number 2. Name 3 different minerals and describe where you can see them. Okay, 3 different minerals. Okay, and describe where you can see them. Yes, Omar. Yes, excellent. 3 different minerals like mica and feldspar and quartz. Okay, where you can find them? Excellent, in granite. Okay, great. Okay, you can copy the answers in your book. Okay, how can you tell the difference between rocks and minerals? The difference between rock and minerals. Yes, great. Rock is made of minerals. Okay, and minerals made of one substance. So mineral is made of one substance, but the rock made mixtures of things like different type of minerals. Great. Okay, we finished the minerals. Okay, the rocks. We'll talk about the rocks next session. Okay. Today we'll talk about soil. Okay. What do I mean of soil? Soil is made up of small particles and rocks. Okay. Small particle of rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Okay. This is the soil. Small part of rocks and minerals. And okay. Rocks and minerals and remains of plants and animals. Remains of dead plants and animals. Okay. And the waste products such as dung. Okay. So, did you see the pictures of dung? This is a dung. Okay. And also it maybe contain some kind of bacteria and fungi. Okay. Contain some kinds of bacteria and fungi. Okay. To break down the dead animals and plants. Okay. Any remains come from the living things is called humus. Okay. Material that come from living things is called humus. Okay. We have 6 types of soil. Let's just mention them. Sandy soil, peaty soil, silty soil, chalky soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. In your book this year, you will study only the sandy soil and the clay soil. Okay, sandy soil and clay soil. Okay, let's see this. According, we will classify them according to their particle size. Okay, if it's large size, it will be sandy soil. If it's small size, it will be clay soil. Excellent. Okay. Large size will be sandy, like the sand. Okay. Small size, like the clay. Of course, you know the difference between sand and clay. Of course, you touched it before. Okay. Let's start with the clay soil. Okay. Clay soil contain a lot of tiny clay particles, as we said, small particles. Okay. And there are only tiny air spaces between the particles. The spaces between the particles, there are tiny air spaces between clay particles, okay? But the sandy soil, as we said, it's a large particles, okay? And there are a large or a big air spaces between the particles. And there are a big air spaces between the particles, okay? So again, sandy soil contain a lot of large sand particles, okay? And also there are a big air spaces between the particles. Great. Okay, next session we'll investigate more about the soil and we'll talk about the rocks, okay? Your homework on your workbook, page 64, okay, exercise 8.1, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, thank you for listening. See you next session, inshallah. Okay, before you leave, watch this video.